Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to specially doing this video for those who need electrical families. So normally in my video everybody commenting to provide them electrical families. So there's the one big problem in the Revit. You cannot use a new version of the electrical family in the old version of the Revit. Example, if I create a one Revit family in 2025, you cannot use in the Revit version 2000 or 2002, something like that. Because now, if you see in the internet, while you are downloading the Revit family, mostly you will find that Revit family made in higher version. So, to solve these issues, if you know how to create the family, uh, it can be solve your problem in a faster way. That means you can create your own family. So this video I'm going to make for the all, not 100%, 90%, all electrical family. I'm trying to cover it. So let's start it. If you go to the new, you will see many template for the creating family. But this is Imperial. So if you want to go to metric, you go family template and choose English. I am mostly use metric because I am working in Qatar. So here we use mostly metric. So here you see many family templates. Cluster, this is related to I think structural. So let's go to the electrical. You will see this on electrical equipment, electrical fixture ceiling, this. That. So these families up to I think here, this here to here. We cannot use this family if you are an electrical modeler. So if you are an architectural modeler and you want to show the electrical devices in your architectural model, you can use this family template. You can create your fixtures and you can make it. But if you are electrical modeler, normally you will not work on the architectural, meaning you will not do the architectural. Architecture will be done by someone. You will link the model, and on the linked model, you will do your electrical work. So in that case, you cannot use these templates to create your model. I don't know the actual reason, but you cannot use it. This is what I know very hardly. So in that case, we have to go with a generic model. Okay. So in the generic model, mostly I used mostly some 60 to 70%. Electrical family I used to go the phase-based electric generic model. So this phase-based it's very important because if you use phase-based, you can use that particular electrical model family in many place in many way. Okay, so let's select the generic model phase-based open, and maybe most of the people already know about these things items who is familiar with family still look look the video from the zero because in my video I will show too many tools. Maybe the small thing will help you to make a great family, Revit family. So here you will see I will go with everything because I will consider as a I am teaching to the person who don't know anything. Okay. So this is the browser and this is the property. We know this one. Okay, so let's create one extrusion. Let's just click that one. And here one rectangle. So if you click the rectangle, you have these settings, offset and radius. Maybe you can try this one. So you will see this radius is coming. So let's click this one. So I need here, let's say 75. Let's go with the 75. So here also I need 75. meaning 3 by 3. So MV move, so you can go with center and come in here and move again. This one here. And I don't need this one very good. We will go with this later, this modification. Let's TR. I just deleted that one. Okay. For time being, we will go with this one. Later, we will check all the radius, everything. So let's make okay. So careful, this visible should be checked and just click this one. So if you go to the 3D view, yes, you can click here. And this one, you can control this one from here. Now for time being, I go with the 50. And keep remember, in the Revit, there is the one problem. Okay. Sometime, not every time, sometime, even you use the correct tools, it won't work. It won't give the good answer. But that's not your problem. It's some error in the coming in the Revit. So just close the Revit and reopen it. Before closing, save the what you did, save what you did, close it and reopen. It will work again. So it's happened to me many times. This is from my experience. Okay, for timing, I move it to 50. So it means 2-inch depth. Okay. So here, this is the generic model you see here. So this one I can convert this model here. You can go with the shade if you want it. See this one, and you can go with the find for the fine details. So this model I can convert it to electrical socket or data outlet, anything you want. So how to convert? The first thing, very important tool is this one. Just go here, family category and parameter. When you click this one, you will see all the items. Door, duct accessory, anything. You can convert to any category. So for now, I am going for the electrical fixture because I am trying to cover the electrical item. Where is this electrical fixtures? Electrical fixtures here. Okay. So I go to the electrical fixtures. So don't forget to click this one. Okay, for now I will not click this one. And you will know if I not check this one, what kind of issue will come. Okay, and let us make okay. So it's done. Now this is a electrical fixture. The category has changed to electrical fixtures. So the second very important thing, connector. You have many connector here. Duct, pipe, cable trace, conduit. But any connector you put it here, but it will consider as a it is belongs to electrical fixture because I converted this family category to the electrical fixture. And I need now to create electrical fixtures, this electrical connector. The electrical connector meaning it doesn't mean only belongs to the socket outlet. This electrical connector meaning belongs to all electrical. So I will go with the face space. Okay, I cannot see mouse. So I will escape it. Let's go with the hidden. Okay, electrical connector. So here, voila, done. So when you click this electrical connector, you will see some properties are changing here. Okay, don't forward the video because you will lose many tools. So you will see here power balance, power unbalance. So you will see a telephone, security, fire alarm, nice call. So I will come one by one. But let's go with the power balance. So what happened power balance? It will go with the single piece. Unbalance, it will go with the three piece. Okay. This is a different unbalance and you can use the different load. So here you can go three. If you go three, just enter. So you can have three different loads. Red meaning red, yellow, blue. So LO, otherwise L1, L2, L3. So if you go power balance, you will have only one. Okay. So the many very important thing, main voltage. So let's go with the 240. If you are American or other country, you have different kind of voltage, so use different voltage as per your country. So this watts, I don't want to use the default watts. If you want default volt, you can use default what you want. Actually, this is volt ampere is related to uh, power factor. Like as I know, watts into power factor, you will get VA. But if you want to change VA to watts, it's very simple. You type U in. So go to the electrical and you will see here apparent power. Click this one and here you can check watts. Okay, okay. So if you click here, you can do your watts, how much you want. So for me, if I want every device should be consider 100 watts, I can type it 100 watts. Or if I have various watts, you have to create a parameter. Okay. So just click here and you will go with the new and connected load. Connected load. You go to the instance. The rest is keep it like that and you can go for the OK. Okay. So that meaning this load is already I assign a parameter. Why I am assigning here? If you assign a parameter while you're loading to your model, you can change the parameter what you created. You can put your watts there. So as per you want. So if you have another device, you can put different watts. So there's the best thing in the parameter if you choose instance. So power factor you study as per your country, it can be different. So that another main thing in diversity factor. So diversity factor they are mentioned as a load classification. We have here other. So load classification or diversity factor is very important. Let's say you have a 100 socket in your project. Nobody going to switch on work on this 100 socket. Nobody going to load the equipment or nobody going to use the 100 socket one time. Maybe it's 50% can be used. So when you are calculating the load, they will consider that 50% as a diversity factor to choose their breakers and sometimes they choose for the breakers, sometimes they choose sorry, sometimes they use to choose the breaker, sometimes for the cables. It's a depend as per the design, but it's very important. So here you just click here and you will see three dot here, click this one. And here you will see when you choose electrical here, normally it will come. So here I am going to use power socket. So here I don't have anything demand factor here. So I will go with the power. Let's choose here one. I will go for the new power. Okay. So here I will go with the buy load. So because I don't want to go with the buy quantity. So this one is a constant. Apply a constant demand factor to the load into the load classification. I go with the buy load. So I will go with 50 percentage. Okay. You can use as per your design to check this one also if you want. So okay. Here also I will type power and okay. So if you click here, you will see the load classification is power. Okay. So I am not going to do anything else. That's all I did. Okay. So let's go with the new project file, new and project. So here I will go metric multidiscipline. Okay. So best thing in the generic model, if you create a family, you can use it directly also and also in the link file also. For now, I am going to use the direct roles because I need a base role to put my devices. So this is 5 meter. Okay. So let's load into project. Yes, I want to save this. So I will go to the desktop new folder, electrical family. Okay, so double click, I will go socket. So here option, I will go with one. Okay, save. Okay, so you see here there is a three host scheme. Place on face, place on work plane, place on vertical place. So I'm going to use the vertical place. So you will see the outlet here. Okay, what about here? When you click here, you are seeing default elevation from level. So what is the default elevation from level? So let's put a section here. Just go to the section. If you didn't find here, you can go view section here. So make this one and right. I change to other side. By clicking this one, you can change the side. Right click, go to view. So this is my outlet, DI, meaning dimension. So this is from center. So you see here the elevation 1219 and here 1219 it's coming from the center. So what is the reason? So click this one, edit family, and go to the reference plane here. I created my outlet in the center. So keep remember your elevation taking from here. So this is the ground. You can consider this one ground. No, not that one ground. Sorry. Where is this reference plane gone? This is the ground level, and this is minus, and this is plus. Okay, you will know this XY things. So I will move this one MV, then here to here. So this one considers the bottom of elevation. So let's load to project and close. Yes, yes. So if you see, all right, the elevation is now in from bottom 1 to 1. Now if I click this one and I put let's say 1 to 50, so the bottom of the socket is 1 to 50. So careful in this one. Before doing your family, you have to decide uh, your elevation from where you take, from center or from bottom or from top. So you can play with the elevation. So you see here, I'm here doing I'm working on this front page, meaning front. This is actually top. So this is front, back, left, right. But in my family, I will go edit family. I am not working on front or back. Before also I had a big confusion on this one. I thought if I work on the front, so it will come in the front of wall. It's not like that. You have to work on the reference level. So you get your Assalamu rahmatullahi. You will get your family where you want, you can put it. Okay, the next things, we are not using our socket outlet. We are not going to show like this. This is a box only. Okay, so we need a symbol. And second thing, it will not this much bigger. Okay, so go to the edit family. So this time I will go to the left or right, anywhere. I will go with 25. So no, I will go more smaller, meaning 10 mm. So it's like a wall plate. Okay, here's my item. Okay, so this is the bottom I am making. Okay, so let's go with the reference plane. I don't want this one anymore. Okay, so file, new. You can go here, annotation and symbols, or you can go with the family and you can select your symbol. So just I go to the annotation and symbol. So still you are going to the imperial. So go to the family template, English. And also here, no need to go anything here, just go to the generic. Here, matrix generic model. Okay. Sorry, I should go to the annotation paste. Where it is metric generic annotation. Okay. So just make open and you delete this one, no need, and go to the create line. So you can create how much you want. So I go with the, let's stay with the say 20. So already center. Again create line and this one. You can go here and here and here. So very easy. Go again line. So one click, two clicks, three click. And here go this put one line here. This is normally we show our symbol in Qatar, but I don't know in your country. So in your country, if you have different symbol, you can use it, the different symbol. So load into project. If you want, you can save it. Better. Yeah, we'll save it. I want to go to the socket. Okay. Do you want to save? Yeah. So I will put electrical socket symbol. If you don't want to save, you don't have to save. It's depend your choice. On okay. Save. So let's put it here, center. Okay. It's done. Now I will load into the project. Do you want to save? Yes. Yes. And overwrite. But still you will not see any symbol here. Why? This is the main thing. Click here. Edit family. I told you before. There's one important thing when I am clicking here. This one. Maintain annotation. So you can click here also. Same thing. So load into project. Yes. Yes. All right. It's very big. Okay. Edit family. Reference line. So let's click this one. So we cannot. Let's edit family again. So select all. Scale. We can go with the numeric here. Point two. Okay. Load sockets. We don't here. Need project. Okay. Yes. Yes. All right. And load it again. Yes. Yes. All right. So it's symbol. It's already done. So this is the electrical circuit. Okay. It's very easy. So the word I told you, actually here, connected load, this parameter, you remember what I created before. Here we have VA still, because we didn't set up the unit in the project. So UN, electrical, current power, watts, W, okay, okay. So if you click this one, you will see watt. Okay, another thing, now I am seeing this small 3D item here. If you go to see it, you will see the plate I am seeing. So this one, if you need, you can hide it. So mostly we hide that one in the plan. So you can go to the edit family, just select this one. So visible setting, in the plan, RCP, you just remove. Okay. And load into project. Yes. Yes. All right. So it's still visible. So in my two 2025 version of using the Revit, I am facing this issue in many times. So maybe in your version it will work properly. And for me, I have to do too many things to hide this one. Sometime I have to make little up. It may be work, it not may be work. I have to close, open too many. store is here. So let's save. Do you want to save the changes? And yes, yes. All right. Okay, still visible. So I have this issue, but maybe in your Revit, you will not get this issue. Just try, but the tool is same. So it's not going. So let's try again. Edit family. So let's select again. So visibility setting. So I think there's a mistake I did. So this is in the reference level, okay? In the top level. That meaning if it is go up, because I'm keeping the face based. That meaning it will change to front and back. This is what I think. So let's select the plan RCPs. It, let make it stay. Let's change front and back. Maybe this is my mistake. So let's make OK. Load into project. Yes. Yes. And lower it. Okay, it's gone. So you can control your visibility like that. The main problem is you have to think which one you have to remove while rotating this item. So let's select another one, CS. So I will go to place on the face. Face. This is vertical place. Let's place in the plan. Okay, this one. So here you see visible, correct? So when you click this one, edit family, and here, and visibility setting, I have to remove this one. Okay, okay, load into project. Yes, yes. So now it will go. So it's depend. You have to think which one you have to remove to hide uh, the 3D view, 3D object. So I am making undo this one. So you remember I make front and back. I disable it, but let's check that section in the front view. So for us, front is like this, right? The 3D object visible or not. So let's select right click, go to view. So it's visible. So it is correct. So before what I did, it's wrong. So I have to change uh, edit visibility is front and back. Okay. So you can control from this also if you want to. Okay. So our socket is ready. So let's delete this one. And you can put as much you want. If you make CS, yes, meaning create similar. Why it's coming this one? I go in this CS, place on vertical face. Okay, it's very simple. So select this all. You can go to the power because already I have connected the power. So power, you can choose anything wire you want. This one. So you know this wire. Uh, this how many wire you want. It's mentioned here. So this meaning 3, 4, 5. So I think no, it cannot be 5. So let's why it's coming 5. Uh, let's go here. So I didn't connect to any. So this is an electrical setting we have to do that one manage and here for additional not here this one electrical setting. So here you can go wiring. So this is the one. Uh, you can set your wiring. And if you want, you can choose single arrow and versus home run arrow here. Okay. And also wire sizing, you can check here. And too many here you have items. this aluminum, copper. These are settings. For now, I don't want to go here. So for now, we will not go with this wiring. Let's off this wiring. Setting, electrical settings. Mm, so go to the wiring and this check marks. This is how wire check marks, ground wire, natural wire check marks, short check marks. So this one we will check never. Okay. So for now, the check mark is gone. So if I go to the how to change the check mark, wiring everything, so I have to create the panel. So too many. This video will be goes beyond the subject. So for now, you know me how to make electrical sockets. So let's go to the edit family. Now let's go to the 3D view. Okay, let's rotate this one. So we have our socket here. So this socket, let's go with the shaded. Fine, shaded. So this sockets, this is the socket outlet. So for me, I don't like this 3D view. So now we will go with the modifying 3D view. So just click edit family and go to the reference level again. Okay, click this one, edit family, edit extrusion actually. So I will go with this radius. Okay, click this one, and select this two. Uh, Click this one, control plus this one. Make sure when you are choosing make sure this copy is active. Okay, so I cannot do I will go with the draw mirror because I don't have a reference plane. So let's go TR, draw mirror. Just click here to here, it will be draw the mirror. Okay, finish. Okay, this one. Okay. Now I want to create some holes. So for now here I'm going to create the box hole. Okay. So I have a center plane here, center reference plane. So this one I will move something here. Let's make this one smaller and copy CO and put it somewhere here. If you don't want to do in measurement, you can do measurement. Just double M. Okay. So it's okay. Now finish. So if you go to the 3D view, SD, you will see something like this. If you want to control the plate size, you can go with the 5, you can go with the 5 if you want, because normally it's small amount of the plate will be outside. And also, if you go to the front reference level, I need one switch, like switch. So let's draw in the left. So go to the left, left or right? No, let's go to the front. Yeah, here. So you make sure some one up, down, like this. Because this is for the visual. Okay, finish. So reference plan here. So let's go here. So let's move MO. Sorry, M, MV. Sometime I forget. So you cannot move this one. So unclick, lock MV. So here, just rotate. Okay, let's keep this guy somewhere here. So let's see the 3D view. Okay, it's almost like it's just look like switch on. Okay. The second thing I want to change the plate color. So just click this one and here material. You can click this three dotted. So go to the new, create new, and this will come. Should become somewhere here, default. Yeah, default material. Rename electrical socket. Okay. So where is this electrical socket go? Electrical. Yeah, here. So here, so in the graphic color, so make it white. Because I need white. And graphic, if you want to put any material like, sorry, in the appearance, if you want to put any image, you can put it any image. So this is the graphical use. Okay. This is identity. Why this graphical use not weaving? So electrical socket. Where is this electrical socket? So let's type electrical. I think I didn't save it. Okay, let's go with again. And new, create new material. Uh, right click, rename, electrical socket. Okay, so let's click this one. Appearance. Let's make white. If you want other color, you can make these too many items are there reflective. You can put self illumination if you want reflective. Okay, so here it is coming. So it's if it's not visible, you can go with here realistic. Okay, this is the realistic. So in the rendering, you will see better. So this is already electrical socket done. This one also I need to put save. Okay, load into project. Yes, yes. So write it. Okay, and let's say realistic. You will see almost white. In rendering, you will see better. Let's check the rendering. Normally, we don't use render. If your architectural guys need to see the color, we can go with the render. And let's go with the interior sound. Just render. Okay, this exposure. So you will see your socket. Okay, okay. You see this socket. It's look like almost like a real socket. Okay. If you are good in the modeling, you can do whatever you want. Let's go with the realistic with this shaded. Changed to the shaded. So that's all. So if you have a twin socket, how about same concept? Edit family. So go to the reference plane, reference lower. So you will just increase this one. So we will go to the double click, meaning edit extrusion. So we will make one diameter DI here to here and to here. Let's make equal. So if you move here, I think it moved double set. So let's make a dimension DI again. How much I want? Maybe I need 150. So okay. So it's already I lock in the equal. So make like this. That meaning this one is 75 and this one is 75. So it's 150. And let's make it equal again. You see this equal mark. Let's make this one up. Okay. So let's move this one. Move and be. Okay. So same mm. Let's select this one and finish. So it's already done. So now this is okay. MV. Here one and copy again. Here, here one again. That's all. So this symbol has to be changed because this is for the single socket. So we can go this edit family. So here I will just move. So select and again mm. So load into project. Socket. Okay. Yes. Yes. And override and load again. Yes. Yes. All right. So you have now double socket. It's very, very easy. So let's undo this one. Control Z. Okay. So edit family, like file save as family. So this one socket I made, this one I will put single socket. Okay. Save. I will close this one. Now I will go to the insert again. Family. Dot family. Desktop. And go to the family again. Electrical family. This socket. Open. So override the existing version. Okay. Because here I already have socket. Okay. So insert. Let's go to the CM. CM meaning road family. So this is socket. So we have already in the name. So what we will do, insert and no, we will do redo. Okay. Click this one, edit family, file, save as family, and I will make it this one twin socket. Okay. Save. So let's close this one. Now I will insert load family, single socket, open. So it's not there, CM, and here, voila. You don't make two, three times, just undo, you can say, well, you can play that one. So here, how much? I need 1 to 50. Also here, 1 to 50. So normally, the sockets will not be 1 to 50, it will be 450. Okay, now our socket, done. So what we need next, how to create a data outlet. Very simple. We will use same. Click it family, file, save as, family. So here instead of single socket, I will put data and telephone. Let's go with the data first. Okay, data outlet. Shift OUTLET, data outlet. Let's save this one. Okay, go to the reference level. Click this one. Just you change this here to where's data? Here. Just click it. That's all. Finish. Your data outlet is ready. Just click this one, edit exclusion. So for now, this one, we don't need this. So this one, RJ45, it's look like almost similar, something like this. Okay, so you can make DI, click here, here, and just press equal. If you don't cannot see this one, you can make 1 to 100. No, 1 to 1. Okay, so this is equal. Now here, di, here, equal. So it's done. Finish. And this one no need anymore. And I already saved. Load into project. Yes. Okay. Now facing the wall. Let's make it here. Okay. You see some obstruction and you see some dots here. That one you have to click edit family. Same what I did. For this guy, remove this. Okay. Load into project. Yes. Yes. All right. That will go on. For the twin circuit again. Edit family. This and this. Visibility settings. Front and back. Okay. Load into project. All right. And so it's done. So this one, because of the scale, so this one you have to consider while you are making your object, what kind of scale you should to do the symbols. So as per the scale, the symbol will be bigger and smaller. So now I place the data outlet, but symbol same. If you go here, okay, this is the data outlet. I will go with the 450. Okay, but it's look like similar data outlet. Okay, but here symbol I didn't make anything. So edit family, reference level, and okay, where's the symbol? Did I delete it? Yeah, here it is. Because it's 1 to 1. So let's make 1 to 2. Okay, click this, edit family, same concept files, save as family. So this one data outlet symbol, data outlet, symbol save. So this one we normally do like this. We don't need any more of this one. Okay. So if you want any filled item, you can go with here, and you can draw one here, one here, one. Okay. This is filled. So somewhere some people use that one, so we will go with the data outlet. Okay. Yes. And we'll put it here. But just remove this socket. So load into project. Okay. Yes. Yes. So override the existing. So let's close unwanted things. Okay, done. And in the view, this one I don't need it anymore. Let's save it. Yes. So in the plan, you see the data outlet. So I need to close it. Okay. This was how much closer? Okay, somewhere here, 450. Okay. So data outlet is done. The same way all the electrical family. If you want to go for the telephone outlet, same. So you see data outlet coming. So if you go to the edit family, two things you have to do. The first thing, the modify the 3D how you want. And the second thing, just select the connector. You choose what you want. Mesh call or control or telephone or whatever. It's here. Okay. So it's very simple to create the electrical family. So in here, you saw what I did. First, I change the 3D. Second, I change the connector. thread, I change the symbol. That's all. So here, I forget to change one thing, the category. So if it is a data item, you go to data device. It's very important thing you have to do. Okay. Load into yes. Otherwise, it will go to electrical fixture item. All right. So it's very simple. If you want, you can modify whatever you want. If you go to the Google, let's type data outlet. So it look like this. You can do whatever you want like this or like this, whatever you want. And you can play the rest. If you select the data outlet, so here still the connected load is here, so we don't need this one. So go to the edit family. So here actually the connected load because this one belongs to the power socket, so just delete. Yes. Okay. That's all. Finish. Load into project. Yes. Yes. But if you need any calculation, you can go with some parameter what you need. So here, by changing the category, the option here will change. So this is very easy. You can make anything whatever you want. So let's say, how about uh, lighting? Okay, 1 minute. So what about lighting? So I saw socket. I saw you the data outlet. But all the wall outer, even the manual call point or switches, everything you can do in this same way. But light is not related to wall. If you want to do the wall light, you can do the same thing. Okay. But what about the ceiling light? Just you will change uh, same thing, but here in the category, you will go to the light fixtures and you will switch on the light source. Okay. Then in the light source, if you go to the left or right, left, you can go left or right, whatever you want. And you will select the light source definition down half or full, whatever you want. So it's gone down. So just mirror, select this one and just move little bit. That's all. And you will save file, save as family, light fixture. Yeah, light fixtures. Just light fixtures. Save. And also you go to the 3D view. You remove whatever is not necessary. Edit family, no edit exclusion. Remove this, no need, no need, no need. So we will remove this one. Okay, better go to the reference level. EI, here to here, equal. So whenever you move, it's move parallelly. Okay, done. So in the left view, and you can delete this one. You don't need it. Okay, not this. Here, you can go higher. Okay, like 50 or something. So if you want to make a different model, you have to draw from the left. For now, I am going to the same thing and load into project. Do you want to save? Yes. And here we will go with the placed on work plane. That's all. So this symbol we don't need anymore. Edit family. reference level. You just delete it. Okay, that's all. Load into project. Yes, yes. All right. So it's ready. So if you go to the 3D view, you will see it's down. Okay. So that time we will go with the section. Okay. Go to view. So I don't have a ceiling here. Okay. Where is this light gone? Yeah, this one you will go to the edit family. Here you will make all because we need everywhere. Load into project. Yes, yes. All right. So in this section you will see the light. So here you cannot move. Okay. So redo. So you will draw a reference line RP where you want and just select this PK and just select the light. It will be here. The 3D you can see the light. So if it is a wall light, very easy. CS. So you can place in the face. Finish wall light. So here already you have the full elevation. I need in 4 meter. Okay, apply. So very easy. If you click here, you see the switch is activated. Okay. So very simple. This is the way you have to create all the electrical family. I don't want to go again for that fire alarm and other devices because same concept. Just I am going to change only three things. What the three things? First, the category. The second, the symbol, which I already deleted here. The third, the connector. Very easy. So if you understand the base thing, you can create any family you want. I hope this video will help you to create your whole electrical family. Inshallah, if you have any doubt, you can comment. I can reply. So we will meet in next video. Until there, take care. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.